Introducing Figure 02, revolutionizing AI robotics for the future. Overview of the Figure 02 robot. The Figure 02 by Figure.ai is a groundbreaking humanoid robot built to revolutionize industries through advanced artificial intelligence and robotics technology. Unlike conventional robots, the Figure 02 is engineered for versatility and autonomy, capable of executing complex tasks in various environments such as manufacturing, logistics, and service industries. The robot's primary objective is to provide efficient, high-precision solutions for labor-intensive tasks, thereby enhancing productivity and reducing the need for human involvement in hazardous or repetitive tasks. Key features of the Figure 02. State-of-the-art AI integration. Figure 02 employs advanced AI algorithms that allow it to learn from its environment, adapt its operations, and optimize performance autonomously. This dynamic learning capability makes it a standout in industries that demand efficiency and precision. Human-like mobility. The robot's bipedal locomotion enables it to navigate human-centered environments, making it adaptable for tasks in warehouses, retail, and other sectors where agility is key. Scalable design. Figure 02's modular architecture ensures that businesses can upgrade specific parts as technology evolves, making it a long-term investment. This adaptability allows the robot to be customized for unique business needs. Safety and precision. Equipped with advanced sensors and a responsive feedback system, Figure 02 ensures high operational safety, making it ideal for industries like healthcare and logistics where human interaction is prevalent. Applications of the Figure 02 robot. Industrial automation. Figure 02 excels in industrial settings by automating tasks like assembly, quality control,
if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest content, don't